Keeping a record of all the keys for each property in your portfolio can be a confusing task. Landlords Property Manager's new Key Management tab eliminates that confusion and enables you to record the key type, the key number, the room number for multi-let properties, the location of the key, the date it was checked out, and the date it is due to be returned or was returned. You can also record any keys that have been lost. To enter keys onto the software, click on Add. Select the key type, enter the key number, and enter a description. Once you have entered your information, click on Save. To check the key in or out, click on the Check-in, Check-out button over on the right. Enter the date that the key was checked out and who now has ownership of the key. If the In-Office option is selected, you are then able to record where in the office the key is held. If the With Tenants option is selected, you can select the tenant and the date it is due to be returned. If the due date coincides with the end of their tenancy, you can click on the following flag. If the With Contact option is selected, you can choose the contact and the date that it is due to be returned. Once you have entered your information, click on Save. By using the Key Management tab, keeping track of your property's keys has never been easier.